Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in home technology. Today, we're diving into an innovative cleaning solution that has caught our attention, the Bagotte Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. We found this product online, and if you want to check the latest price and availability, be sure to check the link in the description below. So, what exactly is the Bagotte Robot Vacuum? This all-in-one cleaning machine combines powerful suction with advanced navigation technology, designed to make your home cleaning experience as effortless as possible. With its impressive 6,000 Pascal suction power, this robot vacuum takes on dirt, dust, and pet hair with ease, ensuring a deep clean across various surfaces including carpets and hard floors. Let's take a closer look at some of its standout features. First up is that remarkable 6,000 Pascal super strong suction. This level of power means it can lift embedded pet hair and crumbs that may be hiding in your carpets or stuck in the crevices of your hard floors. You can trust that it delivers a thorough clean in just one pass, which is a real time saver for busy households. Another exceptional feature is the 90-day hassle-free auto dust collection. The Bagotte comes with a self-emptying dock that automatically empties the robot's dustbin into a large, sealed dust bag. This means you won't have to worry about the mess of handling dirt or dust for up to 3 months. It's perfect for those who may have allergies or simply want to minimize contact with allergens. The 360-degree LiDAR navigation system is another highlight. Unlike random path robots that can miss spots or take longer to clean, this vacuum scans and maps your home accurately. It plans efficient cleaning routes, ensuring that every corner of your home is covered. You can trust that it knows where it's been and where it needs to go, making it far more effective than many other robotic vacuums on the market. Now, let's talk about versatility. The Bagotte Robot Vacuum isn't just a vacuum, it's a 4-in-1 cleaning solution that can sweep, vacuum, mop, and even self-clean. After completing its cleaning tasks, it returns to the dock to empty itself, providing a fully automatic cleaning experience that requires minimal effort from you. For those who love tech, the smart app and voice control features are a game changer. You can easily take control via the app to schedule cleanings, set no-go zones, select targeted rooms, and adjust the suction power according to your needs. Plus, it's compatible with voice assistants like Alexa, allowing for easy voice commands. So, who is this robotic vacuum suitable for? It's perfect for busy families, pet owners, or anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine. If you have a hectic schedule or you're just tired of daily cleaning tasks, the Bagotte Robot Vacuum can be your new best friend. It's also an ideal gift choice for family and friends, providing them with a practical solution to save time on chores, allowing them to focus more on enjoying life instead of cleaning. In practical use cases, imagine coming home after a long day to a clean house. You can schedule the robot to clean while you're out, or you can use the app to start it before you arrive home. Even better, if you have pets, you can trust that it will tackle the pet hair and dander, keeping your floors spotless without you having to lift a finger. In summary, the Bagotte Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is a powerful, efficient, and highly convenient cleaning companion. With its impressive features and hands-free operation, it's designed to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.